Is Cetaphil Acne Cleanser your holy grail, or just another bottle promising clear skin that doesn't deliver? Let's dive deep. First, the ingredients. We're looking at 0.5% salicylic acid, a beta-hydroxy acid known for exfoliating and unclogging pores. This is a proven acne fighter, but the concentration is relatively low. We also see soothing ingredients like aloe vera and chamomile, why you're good news for potentially irritated skin. Next up, clinical trials. Cetaphil boasts about its gentle formulations, but finding robust clinical trial data specifically on this cleanser for acne is surprisingly challenging. Most research focuses on their general gentle cleansing line. This doesn't automatically make it a scam, but warrants caution. Always look for independent studies when researching skincare. Now, the real tea. User reviews. They're wildly mixed. Some rave about its gentle yet effective clearing of mild acne, while others report dryness, redness, or even breakouts. Remember, skin is unique, and what works for one person may not work for another. Pay attention to reviews mentioning similar skin types to yours. The verdict: Cetaphil Acne Cleanser isn't a scam, but it's not a miracle worker either. It can be a beneficial addition to your routine, especially for mild acne, thanks to the salicylic acid. But don't expect overnight transformations. As always, patch test before applying to your whole face and consult a dermatologist for persistent acne. Now, what are your thoughts? Let us know in the comments.